Hi, I'm Deb, and this is my local KFC. Now, if you like the taste of KFC coleslaw, then this video's for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make better than KFC coleslaw, with a recipe that I found about 13 years ago from a guy named Todd Wilbur. And it's really easy to make. If you want to see more of Todd's recipes, you can check them out in the links in the description. But for now, are you ready? Because the kitchen is now open. Come on in. Let's cook up something good. For my Colonel's coleslaw, the ingredients I'll be using are first, my veggies, 8 cups of finely chopped cabbage, which is about 1 medium head, a half a cup of finely chopped carrot, which is about 2 medium carrots or 3/4 cup of baby carrots, and 2 tablespoons of minced onion. For my dressing, I'll be using a half a cup of mayonnaise, and today I'm using light mayonnaise, 1/3 cup of Splenda, or you may use sugar, 1/4 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of buttermilk, 2½ tablespoons of lemon juice, 1½ tablespoons of white vinegar, a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper. Start out by making your dressing. In a medium bowl, add mayo, Splenda or sugar, milk, buttermilk, lemon juice, white vinegar, salt, and pepper, and then blend thoroughly with a whisk. Set aside. To chop your veggies, start with the onion. Cut off both ends and remove the outer layers. Next, chop off a chunk of the onion and pulse in your food processor until minced small. You'll need a total of 2 tablespoons. Add the onion to a large bowl and then rinse out your pitcher, and next pulse the carrots in the same manner. Then add them to the bowl as well. For your cabbage, remove the outer 2 to 3 leaves. Cut the cabbage in quarters and then remove the inner hard stem. Then cut the quarters in half so you have 8 cabbage wedges. Pulse each wedge until very small, stopping to reposition the leaves if necessary. The chopped cabbage should be about the size of grains of rice. Note that for a medium cabbage, 1 wedge equals approximately 1 cup. Empty the cabbage into the veggie bowl and repeat for all of the wedges. Now, combine your dressing with your veggies and mix thoroughly. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours before serving. I like mine better the next day, so make it a day ahead of time for the full flavor to kick in. I just love this coleslaw, straight up on the side with chicken, or on a burger or a sandwich. What's your favorite way to use coleslaw? Let me know in the comments, and we just might feature it in an upcoming episode. Making famous flavors at home can save money, but it's also a lot of fun, which is a great way to bring your family to the dinner table where family is built. And if you feed them, they will come.